Assalamu Alaikum everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic that affects many people across the world, the spiritual practice of Ruqyah, to remove negative energies and Jinn from both the body and the home. Ruqyah, an Islamic spiritual healing technique, involves reciting specific verses from the Quran with the intention of seeking Allah's protection and healing. So if you're feeling that strange presence, unexplained fears, or just a sense of negativity, this video may help you understand how to perform Ruqyah for yourself, your family, and your home. Let's get started. What is Ruqyah? Ruqyah is the practice of seeking Allah's help and protection through recitation of Quranic verses and supplications. Ruqyah is an established practice from the Sunnah of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and has been used for centuries as a means to ward off harmful spiritual forces, including Jinn. There are two types of Ruqyah: self-Ruqyah, which you perform on yourself or others, and home Ruqyah, which helps cleanse the house. Both of these can be highly effective in dealing with issues related to spiritual harm, signs of Jinn or negative influence. First, let's look at some signs that may indicate the presence of a Jinn or negative spiritual influence. These signs can vary, but some common symptoms include: 1. Sudden or unexplained illnesses. 2. Frequent, terrifying nightmares. 3. Feeling heavy or uneasy in certain areas of the house. 4. Unexplained fear or anxiety. 5. Objects moving, breaking, or unexplained sounds in the house. Now, remember, not every unusual feeling or bad dream is a sign of Jinn. It's essential to approach this calmly and rationally. In cases of genuine spiritual influence, Ruqyah may help, inshallah. How to perform self-Ruqyah? Let's start with Ruqyah for yourself. Self-Ruqyah is a process of reciting specific verses of the Quran over yourself, either quietly or aloud. 1. Prepare yourself, perform wudu, ablution, and find a calm, quiet place. 2. Intention. Begin with a sincere intention, asking Allah for protection and healing. 3. Recite key verses. Recite the following verses and chapters with concentration: Surah Al-Fatiha, Quran 1 verse 1 to 7. Ayat al-Kursi, Surah Al-Baqarah, Quran 2 verse 255. Surah Al-Ikhlas, Surah Al-Falaq, and Surah An-Nas, 3 times each. 4. Blow on hands and wipe over body. After reciting, blow into your hands and wipe them over your body, especially focusing on areas where you feel discomfort. 5. Dua for protection. Recite specific supplications for protection, like Bismillahilladhi la yadur, Ma'azmahai shay'un fil ard wala fis sama, wa huwa samiul alim. Perform this self-Ruqyah regularly, ideally every morning and evening. And remember, consistency and faith in Allah's help are key. Ruqyah for the home. Now, let's talk about Ruqyah for the home. To spiritually cleanse your house, follow these steps. 1. Play Quranic recitation. Play Surah Al-Baqarah aloud in the home, as it is said in Hadith that it will help to drive away Jinn and protect the house. Let it play in each room if possible. 2. Recite Ayat al-Kursi in each room. Walk around the house and recite Ayat al-Kursi in each room, especially focusing on corners, closets, and less used spaces. 3. Adhkar and duas. Recite daily adhkar, morning and evening remembrances for the house and family. Some key duas include: Audu by Kalimatillahi Tamadi min Shari Makalak. I seek refuge in the perfect words of Allah from the evil He has created. 4. Remove any objectionable items. Clear the home of anything that may attract negative influences, such as idols, images, or items linked to superstitious practices. 5. Regular Salah and Quran recitation. Ensure the home is a place of regular Salah, prayer, and Quranic recitation, as this brings barakah, blessing, and protection. Repeat this home Ruqyah monthly or whenever you feel the need for extra spiritual cleansing. It's also helpful to keep the home clean and organized, as cleanliness is a part of faith and invites positivity. Relying on Allah alone. Remember, brothers and sisters, Ruqyah is not magic, it's simply seeking Allah's help through the blessed words of the Quran. Ultimately, Allah alone has the power to protect us and remove any harm. Ruqyah should always be performed with a strong intention, complete trust in Allah, and patience. We're simply following the guidance provided in Islam to seek His mercy and protection. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider sharing it with others who might benefit. And remember, while Ruqyah is an effective form of spiritual cleansing, it's always best to consult with knowledgeable scholars or qualified practitioners for serious cases. Kindly subscribe to our channel